This Oricom UHF395 is so small, it can be mounted just about anywhere. Because the transceiver is so tiny, it could go here, here, or just about any other place that's out of the way. It's so easy to use too, with a built-in speaker in the microphone and the ability to easily change volume, channels, and the one-finger dial or scan-through channel simply by pressing the buttons on the mic. No longer is there any need to reach across the transceiver to control the radio settings. The large LCD panel here makes it really easy to see what channel you're on at a glance, even in direct sunlight. It has a dual speaker system, one in the mic and one in the transceiver for exceptional sound quality and volume. Now, a super important feature if you're a four-wheel driver like myself is that this handset is super rugged. It's built to withstand all of the conditions that Australia and New Zealand can dish out, and it's made to a very high quality in Korea. The heavy-duty speaker microphone is tough too. Well, I'll tell you what, modern technology sure makes life easier. And with a 5-year warranty from this 100% Australian-owned company, you get peace of mind as well.